My name is Kenya Kersey. I'm the owner of Georgia Stitch, and we make custom-made clothing for women. So far, I have been empowered and motivated. I'm so glad that I attended. I received a lot of information. A lot of nuggets were dropped into my spirit. And I'm just really excited about the next chapter in my life, which is when it starts when I get home, actually. Oh, one thing that really stuck out for me was when Dee Marshall. One thing that she said was that intention precedes manifestation, and that really hit home for me. She was at, all the speakers were a blessing, but that is just what stuck out to me. And also when Dr. Stacy said to make sure you know who's on your front row, that was definitely impactful for me.